Hello everyone, my name is Siti Zubaida binti Nordin. I am 22 years old. I'm from Kota Baru, Kelantan. I'm Bachelor of Science in Financial Mathematics, expected to graduate in November 2020. My secondary school at Sekolah Menengah Kebahasaan Lungafa. Then I go to Kelantan Matriculation College, majoring in science in module 2, and I further my study at University Malaysia Terengganu, bachelor in financial mathematics. I also have my work experience, which is I work as staff at Bata store, and I work as babysitter at Taska Anil Pusat Jagaan Bayi dan Kanak-kanak. It is to utilize my knowledge and skill in financial mathematics with an established organization that allows personal growth and provide opportunity to experience new challenges. I have good communication skill and excellent knowledge in software skill. During my time in university, I gained a few experience. My personal view, I am hardworking person, excellent teamwork skill, and strong interpersonal skill. Thank you for giving your time watching my video resume. I always available for an interview if you feel that my qualification meet your requirement. I will do the best for your company. Please contact me.